Today I'm going to show you 2 ways to delete your profile picture on TikTok. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is having a default profile picture. And how you're gonna do that is gonna go into Safari. You're gonna Google default profile picture and click images. And you need to save this picture to the iPhone device or your mobile device. Then you need to go up onto TikTok here. You can see my profile picture. You need to click edit profile. You need to change photo. You need to upload photo. And in here, you can see here and save and post. And save and post. That is basically much it. So the next thing is to get an all blacked out profile picture on TikTok. It is also super easy. So first of all, what you need to do is go up onto your TikTok app and open it. You need to edit profile. You need to click on change photo. You need to take photo. And as you can see here, this is my hand. You need to put it down on a surface. You need to go up here on the flash and turn off. Then you need to take the photo like this and use photo. As you can see here, save and post. And now you have an all blacked out photo. I hope this helps. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section and I'll answer them as quickly as possible.